Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video of the two sushi shops, two of the best sushi shops in Birmingham. One being Yo Sushi and another being Wasabi. So I've got the bags here and I've got a various amount of food, all sorts of different things, from some nigiri to seaweed triangles and an amazing, I guess it's like a sushi box, but it's like a rice salad almost. So yeah, this Yo Sushi cost, just this platter here cost £13.50, and this, yeah, I forgot to show you the nigiri on this side as well. Salmon nigiri with edamame beads. I don't know how to say that. It's like a seaweedy bean thing.
Edamame.
Yeah, I think they're called edamame beans. So that's that there. That was £14.50, I think. So there's a £1 difference, but I already feel like that's a lot more than what was in the Yo Sushi one. So just get rid of these bags. All my food out, ready to go. I'm going to start with the seaweed triangle from Wasabi. A bit of a design flaw, because every time I've got these, they're like pull open and there's instructions, but they always fall apart. So, but they taste incredible, like. So good. So it's got like a layer of seaweed, some sushi rice, and then like the shredded seaweed in the middle with some sesame seeds. So leave it in the comments which restaurant is your favourite. Is it Yo Sushi or is it Wasabi? And also leave in the comments any other places that you think I should try. This is also quite filling, the triangle. So if you ever just want to I think these are like £2. So if you ever just want like a quick sushi snack, I recommend getting these. I don't recommend getting the one with salmon in, because I like the fresh salmon and it has the cooked salmon inside. So it's nice to try once if you like the cooked salmon. Triangle done. So I'm going to try, what should I try? I've got loads of options. It'll have to be one of the ones from Yo Sushi, because that was a Wasabi. So we'll go for a crab. So that, I think it's like a seafood mix inside that one. I think I've got some seafood in here as well. All sorts of different delights. A little bit of ginger to wet the palate. And we've just got a little bit of sunshine shine through. Filming this directly after mine and Maureen's trip to Nottingham, which was an amazing time. You should go check out those videos. Or video. So this is the nigiri from Wasabi. Just hold it like that so I don't drip soy sauce everywhere. And it's got a load of salmon on there, which is good. That's my favourite. So good. The salmon from Wasabi is so good. I'm going to try one of these prawns, see if we can get, oh, they're all stuck together. So look at that. Have a little look at that. So that's the battered sort of tempura. Oh, it's fell off. Oh, come on, we can do it. Mm. That was really difficult. Now we try some of this salady thing here. Bit of edamame and seaweed, I think. I feel like I need to get a bit involved with this salad now. Just want to show you a little bit because there is lots of stuff in there, and I don't know if it's like rice below or yeah, it's like a load of rice below it. So I'll give you a snapshot of that. And there's a bit of tuna as well. Let's get a bit with just the seafood wrap. Mmm. Really good. I can't really compare that much of the sushi, but more of the experience of tasting. The quality. So this one is a bit flimsy. Salmon middle, and I think that's a bit of avocado. So I get it on my chopsticks. Whack it in that soy sauce. They're both good quality. But do I prefer wasabi? I have a real soft spot for wasabi because their salmon is just so rich and just so smooth, like from wasabi, whereas in other places it's they give you such a small, like even here I think, oh no, they have given you a bit, but in some places they like give you the smallest bit of salmon for their nigiri, and it's just like, come on, that's weak. Trying a tuna. Now tuna is another one of my favourite fishes, like for sushi. Check that out. So nice looking. Mmm. So good. Right. What to go for? A bit more of this salad, I think. I'm gonna get a big bit of the, because there's lettuce at the bottom. Like I'm trying to grab some of the lettuce. It's not really very appealing like that. Shove it back down. Get a bit of cucumber. Disaster. I might have to eat that with a fork, you know. So that's got vegetarian bits and bobs in there as well, like the egg. And shall I try a salmon from Yo Sushi? See how different they are. See if there's any difference. It's nice, but it's not as smooth as the wasabi one. That just like melts in your mouth, that wasabi one. Incredible. Right, so we're gonna mix things up a bit now. I'm gonna put a bit of wasabi on the crab. Try that. It's very messy. I might have to put this here. So Wasabi Sushi and Bento. They do lots of bento boxes like katsu curry and stuff like that. And Yo Sushi, I think, do little bits and bobs of that, but these have got like loads more variation, I think. This, I think, is supposed to go with the salad. Is it soy sauce or is it like teriyaki dip? This smells like soy sauce. Let me have a drop. Yeah, it's just soy sauce. So that does go with the salad. Hello, bright sun. So the lighting's going to up and change about a bit. So I apologise for that. Have another smooth nigiri. Why not, eh? I do like a little bit of variation though, different types of things. I think I've tried everything. Not this though. This looks like tuna and sweet corn or something. Yeah, it's like a sandwich. That's so interesting. You've got seafood in a... I think it's supposed to be separated into sixes, but I've made an absolute mess of this. Go for some more tuna. What I find from Yo Sushi, it's so expensive for what it is, like really expensive. A box like that would probably be a tenner from Wasabi, but it was like $13.50, and that's like a real big hit for me. Use a fork. I'm sorry guys, I know this isn't very professional, but I really want to try it. It's like a sweet egg. Yes. Can't believe this. There's been literally no sun all weekend, and now it's going in and out of the clouds, so my lighting keeps changing. Do you not know whether I'm doing a video? You're ruining it. So we'll start with Yo Sushi. Good, very good quality food, tastes good, bit of variation. The salmon was good standard, tuna very good standard, the prawn very good standard, but still doesn't hold anything on the nigiri on that side. Like I said, for this session, I have to just be this session, fair to this session. 7.5. 7.5. The price is a bit overrated. Quality could have been as good as that, so that's why that's lost 2.5, I would say. This, on this occasion, I'm going to go with amazing standard of the sushi nigiri, which is big selling point for me. Really cool, fun idea of having the salad and the rice at the bottom, the lettuce at the bottom, and all sorts of different, like, you've got like salmon, you've got the crab, you've got tuna, you've got the egg, and I think that's an incredible idea. But also, it is a meaty meal that I could have just had that on its own, literally, and I might save it as well for later on. Well, I'm definitely going to eat more later on because I'm full now. So overall, 7.5. I'm going to give that a score of 8.5. I think that I really needed on this occasion a bit more variance like this, but I still think the quality was much better and the taste was much better and the value for money was much better because I've still got a lot. Oh yeah, because also the seaweed triangle let it down, but it didn't let it down in taste. Now I'm going to keep it with an 8.5. So overall, Wasabi 8.5 and Yo Sushi 7.5. Thank you guys for watching. Please like. I really hope you liked this this style of video, this mukbang. I really enjoy making these food type videos, just because I get to eat and I get to eat the things that I love. So please leave us a lovely comment. Please share the videos well, because you know, the way you grow as a channel is sharing and communication and networking with other people. So if you know anybody that likes watching these videos, send them to them. That'd be great. And don't forget to click a like and also subscribe if you're new. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.